Hello, I am Jack Wu, and I am going to introduce you to C# programming. Click. So this is Visual Studio. So you can open a new project. So we're going to be making a new project, and in this video we're going to be going over the very basics. We're going to be going over the canvas, the toolbox, and a little bit of coding even. So some people like to use these console applications, and they're great. But in more advanced stuff, we have to use this Windows Forms. So I'm just going to name this Tutorial 1. And press OK, and we have created our program. So right now it's creating it, and now we have this thing. So this is called a program. Now, you see, if you click this X, it's not going to do anything. So why is that? Well, this is basically a canvas. It's some kind of designer tool. So if I click Start or F5 on the keyboard, it's going to run it. And, well, right now it doesn't have anything, so it's just not going to do anything. And so we can exit that out. So basically, this is some kind of designer form. So first things first, so now we got this. So now we have to go to toolbox. So there's a bunch of, well, stuff here. These are all called tools in a toolbox so that you can drag onto your canvas. So you can drag this button, put it down somewhere, and you have your very own button. You can expand it, you can do this, and you can't do this stuff while you're running it. So if you run it, you can't expand it or whatever. So now we got this button. So if I run it again, it's going to show it. And you can even click it. Of course, it doesn't do anything because we haven't scheduled it to do anything. So now it's time for us to go to the coding. So if I double click this, we will go to the code. And the code is basically where we want this to do something. So basically, if you go to here, there's going to be a properties and events. Let's look at the events right now. And it says click. So click, but it says button 1 click, and it says button 1 click right here also. So basically, this is called when the button is clicked. And so now we can put what we want to do. So what I want to do here is I want to make like some kind of thing pop out saying hello world. So I can type message box .show. Oh yeah, also, what I'm doing here is that if you do this, if you're writing, so if that blue one is where you want to, you can just click tab and it'll just do that for you. Parentheses, quotation marks, hello world. And you can edit this to make it say whatever you want, like you can follow along. But you can also make it like have some kind of heading. So we'll just put a heading to say yay. And at the end of every sentence, you have to put a semicolon. And now we just have to start it. And if you click this, hello world, yay! If you click OK, you exit. Now there's one last thing I want to show you. The properties. So let's see, form 1 and events. So this is the text, and you can actually change the title. So let me just app, and then you can name this click me, and it shows up. So this is our first computer program. I hope you enjoy. Click.